Tinnitus, some great advice on dealing with this condition. The most common cause for tinnitus is exposure to loud noise. Short exposures to loud noise usually causes temporary tinnitus. Extended exposure, such as working in an industry with daily exposure to loud noises, can cause long-term tinnitus. Protecting your hearing is always recommended. There are other causes of tinnitus, and if you are suffering with it, you should consult a doctor. These tips may also help you. Join a tinnitus support group. Tinnitus can be a very disturbing and disabling problem. It is important that you have support from people who also suffer from this condition. A support group can give you tips on how to deal with tinnitus, as well as on how to figure out what makes yours worse. Before seeing your doctor, do some research to help him or her assess the cause of your tinnitus symptoms. A few physicians are just not properly informed about the plethora of current treatment options that do exist, as tinnitus is always treatable and sometimes curable. Eat a healthy diet that is low in salt, MSG, caffeine, and highly processed foods. All of these foods have been linked to tinnitus. Make sure when you eat out that you question your server about how menu items are prepared. The foods you eat can have a power effect on your tinnitus symptoms. Bring up your tinnitus to your doctor at your next yearly physical exam and ask to be referred to an ear, nose, and throat specialist. An ENT can look into the cause of your tinnitus, which is vital, if you are going to find a way to treat it. In order to better deal with your tinnitus, try to stay away from loud noise, it will only exacerbate your condition. You may also want to carry earplugs with you in the event that you cannot avoid a noisy situation. If worse comes to worse, you can always use your fingers to block the noise as well. Reduce your intake of caffeine and salt. Caffeine is a stimulant that not only increases your heart rate but also elevates tinnitus levels. Salt acts similarly by elevating blood pressure and increasing aggravating noise levels in your head. Making dietary changes will reduce tinnitus levels and help you get a better night's sleep. While it is true that a common cause of tinnitus is exposure to loud noise levels, there are other causes as well. Other causes include ear infections and buildup of earwax, and many medicines list tinnitus as a side effect. The good news is that there are treatments and strategies, like those described above, which can help you. Brain scan uncovers the real root cause of tinnitus. And what you can do about it, starting today. Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Would you like to learn how to naturally ease tinnitus? Please visit earpainhacks.com to learn more. Link in the description.